C, according to Experian Automotive, 35% of all car-owning households have 3 or more cars. So again, the P is, the probability of success is 0.35. Having 3 or more cars is a success. So not having 3 or more cars is a failure. So in a random sample of 20 car-owning households, so again, N equals 20, what is the probability that at least 4 have 3 or more cars? So again, sometimes I think it helps to write down what all the possibilities are. Okay, so from 0 to 20 are all the possibilities, right, of the number of successes. So I want to know at least 4. So that means it includes 4. At least 4 means all 4 and all the numbers that are greater than that. Okay, so it's all of these. Okay. So probability at least 4 includes 4 and greater. Okay, so how can I change that into a less than or equal to so that I could use my calculator or have fewer numbers? Because here, if I add all these up, I'd have to find the probability that there are 4 successes plus the probability there are 5 successes plus the probability that there are 6 all the way up to 20. So that's a lot of work, right? So if you look down here, there's a lot less work. But remember, if you add all the probabilities together, what does it equal? 1. So you do 1 minus the probability that x is less than or equal to 3 to get the smaller amount of work. Okay? So,
your previous answer, 1 minus.
Right. So in the previous example, part B, we did the probability that x was less than or equal to 3. So it was 0.0444. So we can just do 1 minus that previous answer because that was equal to 0.0444. Okay, so 1 minus that gives me the rest of them, which is 0.9556. Okay? And you can just put that in your calculator. If you didn't already have that calculated, you could put 1 minus and then do second distribution, go down to binom CDF, and then put in the number of trials, 20, the probability of success, 0.35, and the less than or equal to that number is 3, so that's what goes in there. Okay? So that gives me the 0.9556. Any questions on that? Okay? You can also use your table, and you could go to where the probability of success is 0.35, where n equals 20, and you could go down and you could add up 4 through 20, add all those together. Or you can do 1 minus each one of these 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Any questions?